everybody. This is Iris from Gosa Company. The Chinese New Year is coming. With my best wish to you and your family, and bring my Chinese wish to you. 中国新年快乐，祝福你们，然后今年生意龙腾四海，拜拜。
Hello, this is Haley from Gosa Company. The Chinese New Year is coming and we are going to have the New Year holiday. Thank you for all your trust and support in the past year, and we will continue to work hard in the new year.
Hi, this is Phoebe from Gosa Company. I would like to send you New Year's greeting and share our Happy New Year with you. Looking forward to our better cooperation next year.
Hello, this is Sipo. I will be always online during the New Year's holiday. If you have any needs and have any question, you can contact me.
Hello, this is David. First of all, Happy Chinese New Year to you. We will return to work on 19 February. Looking forward to cooperation in the next year.
新年快乐！新年快乐！
新年快乐！
新年快乐！
新年快乐！新年快乐！
新年快乐！
新年快乐！新年快乐！
新年快乐！